Alright, so my suspension has actually been broken for like over a year. Why has it been broken, you might ask? Because of the contents of what's in this package. What's in this package, you might ask? Well, let's see. This is what's in there. What is this, you might ask? Well, I'll show you. So for the past year, every time I go over a bump, I hear some type of really horrific noise that I don't like. And for the longest time, I thought it was the coilover on this side. But no, I was wrong. I finally got the energy to hop up under there, just literally lay down and see if I could just see something that was going on. Lo and behold, crap, there's ants down here. Let's see if I can see it without getting ants on me. So, just looking at my suspension, because this is where the noise is coming from. Do you see anything wrong with this picture? Well, if you don't, right there. If you can see that, there's no nut on it, on the sway bar end link. On that side there is. You can't see it from right here, but it's on that side. On this side there's nothing there. And I have no idea why. So, yeah. I'm gonna go up here and I guess I'm gonna jack it up and throw that nut on there so it can stop making that horrific noise. That's probably a problem too. I lost the rubber part from around the exhaust, so I gotta get another one of those. It's only like $7 or $8 though. Alright, let's see. I'm gonna need I guess I'll use that. And let's see what size this nut is. Is a 14. Yeah, 14. Yo, check this out. I knew I heard something when I was jacking it up, but I'm glad I stopped because I might have cracked my bumper even more. Wow. On the ground. Alright, let's put this nut on. Okay. Oh, let's hurry up so I don't get eaten by ants. Hope the threads aren't messed up on it. Okay. I don't think I can get it like that because that doesn't fit. Hold on. Okay. Let's try the 3/8 version. Dang, it's still not enough room. Kinda. I guess I got enough of it. Kinda need something to hold it on the back side. Alright, so I got that tightened down. Amazingly enough, that sway bar end link has been pretty much disconnected for like, it's been like way over a year, ever since I installed the coilovers. So the fact that it's still, like the bolt is still there, it's pretty crazy. But yeah, now I gotta address this other issue that I had like 2 days ago. Yeah, I hit back into something and broke that off, so I need to get that fixed. If I can find it. Okay, I found the piece that I broke off from the fender. It's a good thing I'm replacing the kit anyway because I really jacked this up as you can see, I broke that off pretty good, and the paint is scrubbed off. So yeah, this part is pretty bumped. I'm gonna try to glue this back on and just throw it back on for the time being until I'm ready to rebuild the car. But for now, let's just try to repair that. Okay, so I'm hoping just some regular old Gorilla Glue will do the trick. I need to pop these well nuts off, whatever you call them, the hardware. I need to pop that one off so I can get in there and glue it back together. Okay, so that's honestly not looking too bad. I mean, all that's bad, but I guess this isn't gonna be too bad because this hardware is gonna cover up most of the damage anyway. But like I said, it's only temporary until I install the new Pandem kit. So yeah, I need to guess I need to wipe it off and try to see if I can stick it back on. One thing about Gorilla Glue is it's actually activated by water. I don't feel like going in the house to get some water, so this is gonna be weird, but I'm actually just gonna put a tiny bit of saliva right in there. And yeah, it also expands, so you got to be really careful about where, because it's whenever you put it, it's going to expand from there. So you got to use just a tiny little bit so it doesn't expand too much, hopefully. Oh crap, it's already coming out. Dang, that's all I really need right there. And I'm just going to put that right back in there like that, and hopefully it's just a temporary solution, but that's all I can really do for now. I need to figure out somewhere. Where's some tape at? Yeah, I'm just gonna tape this over and let it dry, and then I'll throw it back on the car. I know it's ugly, but it's temporary, and yeah, it's just temporary until I can start getting some new parts installed. But yeah, I'm gonna throw some tape on this and let it dry. Gorilla Glue is just some really interesting stuff to me. Like, I just dabbed a few drops of water on it just to see what it'd do, and it just expedited the, what do you call it, the chemical process or whatever it does when it hardens. I just been sitting out here for like 20 minutes just watching it. I know this isn't probably interesting to you guys, but yeah, I hate doing like ratchet stuff to my car, but I just kind of need this piece to be on here so it doesn't look worse than it already is. It's almost here though, almost here. It's almost that time. Also, if you want to see exactly how that happened, it'll probably be in another video, but I'll explain to you in another video how exactly this happened. Maybe I drifted it into a wall, maybe not. Who knows? But you'll just have to wait and see. Okay, it's now been about an hour. That's what the glue looks like now. It's solid, but hasn't cured yet, but it is solid. So I don't know if I'm gonna throw it on the car now or if I'm gonna wait and just let that cure up. I would like to put it back on the car, but I probably won't, because that needs 24 hours to cure all the way, and I don't want to break it again. So heck, I don't really know what else to do. The car kind of does need to be washed, but it's gonna get back dirty again in like one day, so kind of just want to leave it. I really wish I could polish it. I do kind of want to get just a whole new rear bumper, because a lot of you don't remember, but I used to run that custom rear diffuser right there, and when it got ripped off at Helen last year, it left those holes and this really bad scratch mark. So I'll probably, ooh, I messed up my bumper right there too. I didn't even see that. So yeah, I kind of need a new bumper. I definitely want new tail lights. If you watched my other videos, remember I just tinted these because I got tired of them and it was just supposed to be temporary. So I do eventually need to order tail lights. What else? I'm gonna have to order a new exhaust for reasons. And I need tow arms. I have lower control arms so I can get rid of this camber. I know a lot of people buy control arms to add camber to their car, but I'm gonna put some on there so I can get rid of it. But to do that, I need tow arms. I don't have tow arms because when you adjust them, it pushes the tire in or out toe wise, and I don't want to jack up my alignment. So I'm just waiting to install that stuff when I have time and money to go get an alignment. And yeah, that's about all I can think of at the moment. But I guess this is gonna do it for this video. I know it was short and probably not interesting, but I'm just trying to get a video out just because I don't get videos out often enough. So I just thought I'd film at least something. I know it's small, but still something. So yeah, I'm gonna end it right here. If you like these videos, make sure you like and subscribe, and I will see you. I don't know when I'll see you, when I make another video, I guess. So peace out.